Carnival has been back again. Lots of time in hand, I guess. That's what's up. What do you guys say? Looks cool? Looks fantastic. I'm surprised at how well this turned out to be. Chopped the high fender. Got the lamps, the aux lights lowered them. And that's what's I've gotten rid of. I did a small extender to the lower mudguard, and that's how that sits. Two small Allen screws, pulling that in place. That takes care of a lot of shit. If you guys know, you know. And then this took away about 5 inches of material, and shitty material at that. Could I have made this better? Yes. For you guys, if you want to do this, retain a little more of this curve. That is, don't cut it right here, but rather go a little more like that, and so that would make it a lot more smoother for the eye. Mine ends a little abruptly, but I love it. I simply love it. Love the way it looks. Just look at that, fellas. Now, this is not an original idea. I saw something online from Unit Garage. Unit Garage made something like this, and they're selling it. Bloody thing looks identical to what is up here, maybe a little more of the curve, but the rest of it is just identical. And so I thought to myself, why don't I just go ahead and give this a try? Turned out to be pretty simple. Sawed it and then finished it with a file. Did a small paint coat. Have to do another paint coat. That's the color that I'm trying to match. I'm trying to get use white and ivory to match this particular shade. Not an easy job, but doable. So yeah, that's that. Look at the front now, huh? The high fender. Just saw, mini saw, not a heavy duty saw, but a mini saw. A mini saw will help you with the blade flexes. So yeah, that's how it looks from the side. Now if you get rid of the rear section, this part, this portion, if you get rid of that, it'll look even more sweeter. And that may be something that I'll do another day. But for now, just look at that. Let's just look at that. This completely changed the... I never really liked this from day one. This sticks out like that. Instead of going in like that, this sticks out. It's designed to go to flow with the rear section of the motorcycle, the stock rear section. But what I have is a rally style kit plastics. So this... not really into the way this was designed from day one. So got rid of it, was running the motorcycle without the high fender, and now just saw that beautiful... I'll attach an image of what I saw online from Unit Garage, and you guys can mimic that, or you guys can mimic this. All you need to do is just cut this out and job done. And maybe taper the edges nice and smooth so that it looks beautiful to the eye. Just look at that. High fender on a Himalayan 450. If this helped any of you fellas get inspired and do it on your own, it's a DIY job. It's a piece of cake if you know how to use a saw and you know how to use a file. That's all there is to it. And then a little bit of painting. The black line that's left is from a marker. I'll go ahead and clean that up and maybe mask tape the whole of it and go ahead with another shot of paint. That should take care of it. Well, other than that, what else I had to do was I had to lower my aux lights. My aux lights were sitting right here. I had to pull them down to clear that. If you guys can see, just to clear that bolt. So just to clear that, I had to... It still isn't clearing, but it's good enough. Well, revisions. Did a little more of chopping. Changed that angle, if you guys can see. Made it a lot more linear, just so that, I matched the front. Now it looks factory. Earlier it looked like there was a hand job in it. Anyway, so now it looks factory. Now the lines match the motorcycle, the lines of the bottom, and so much more linear and sporty looking. Just when you look at that, perfect, done and dusted from the front and from the side. Let me get rid of that little pinky. Yeah. Just look at that, fellas. a small Beak or a high Fender that looks that good. Need to finish this. Will take some time to finish it off. That's for another day. Now, super duper duper happy with how this looks.